Hi everyone, I am MD SHAMRAT MIAH. Today I am going to show you if we get any kind of error like as a lock error, and if you want to work on root user but on your virtual machine on Kali Linux you are not currently on root user. So how can we solve this problem? So basically you are doing something work like that. You are going to install something, but the message is showing to you that there is some problem, is lock file problem, lock problem, or you are not a root person. So how can you solve that? So for that example, I'm showing you that here we have to be right on here something like that for show that specific problem. So we have to be right in here, apt get install vsftpd. So vsftpd is this command means that if you want to work with ftp ftp related works on Kali Linux, so that's time you have to be write this command on Linux, apt-get install vs ftpd. So when you click on and press enter from your keyboard, so that's our exact problem. So I am talking about in this video for this specific this same problem. So could not open log file and could not open log file var library dpkg lock frontend. Okay, so that's the problem number 13, permission denied. And here is another problem, unable to acquire the dpkg frontend lock. So here is it's asking to user that are you root. So defi def uh, definitely that we're not with root now. So how can we solve this problem? So for fix this problem we have to write in here sudo su, and it's asking our Kali Linux passwords, and after that we are on now root. So you were just move normal user to root user. So how can I fix my this so I just fix my one problem from here. It's I'm now on root. So how can I fix my first problem in here? So I can write in here apt get apt-get up apt-get upgrade. Okay, and my whole system on my Linux is updating. Do you want to continue? Okay, so if I write in here why, so it will take a few seconds for upgrade my system, and after once this upgrade work will complete, then I can then my problem number 13. So every problem will be fixed at this moment. So there is no problem in here. If I write on here my first command from where I get the problem first, that was for apt-get install vs ftpd. So when I try to work with this command, and for the beginning time on my system, it was showing to me that I have two problems. So I am doing the same things again at this moment after my those works. So I am now on root and I just upgrade my system. So if I write on here apt get install bsftpd, and we have to see what's happened now. So here is reading package list done, building dependency tree done, reading list information done. So there is no error like as before. So I can tell to everyone that by this process means that after trying to root user, and then if we upgrade our own system on Kali Linux, so our 100% problem will be fixed. The 100% problem means the can't open a log file, or the problem with root user. So those problems are now fixed now. So we can do something works with uh, FTP related works we can do at this point now. Thank you very much. So from my video, I think my novice, my new friends, my users, my subscribers, this point is should be very clear that if you're working with Linux, and if you face something problem like that, so you can know now how to fix that this kind of problem. Thank you very much. So my next video about on Kali Linux or cybersecurity related topics will coming as soon as possible, and I will try to focus on make those video much more better and interesting to all of you. Thank you very much, and hope see you next. Thank you very much.